How to use your Temu gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can go ahead and then use your Temu gift card. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to use your Temu gift card, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then just make sure to launch the Temu application that you can find over here. And once you launch a Temu app that you can find it over here, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap the U button that you can see at the very bottom of the screen. Once you tap the U option that you can find from the very bottom, over here, if you look closely, you will find this option labeled as coupons and offers. So you want to make sure to just tap on it. And over here you can say it says me to enter my code. Now you might be telling me that this is only an option to use your coupon or referral codes, but not really a gift card code. But no, Temu has made it so that whatever type of code you have for their platform, all of them can be redeemed by simply going to this option known as coupons and offers. So whether it be a referral code, a voucher code, a discount code, a promo code, or hell, even also a gift card code, then you just have to enter them here and then redeem it accordingly. So make sure to enter your details, tap on apply button. Depending upon the value of a gift card, your Temu gift card is going to be successfully applied. Now whenever you're shopping for products next time and then you go to the checkout page, you just have to select your gift card as a payment method, and then from there onwards you should be good to go. This way you can go ahead and then use your Temu gift card. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.